So hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is Barbara and here we do a lot of lifestyle, beautiful, inspiring content. If you like more of these videos, you know what to do, girl. Just subscribe. It's free, and then turn on your bells so you get notified every time a video goes up. I want to welcome each and every new subscriber. Karibuni to the family. I'm so glad that you chose it to be your channel and just subscribed and watch my videos. Thank you so much. And to the all returning subscribers, karibuni sana. Thank you for supporting your girl. Thank you for everything that you have done. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing it with your friends. Thank you for making it an inspiring channel, because when you watch this channel, when you watch this content, I'm inspired to do more videos and show you guys exactly what my lifestyle is like. So when you watch these videos, goes into a long way into making me want to create more of inspiring, beautiful contents. So keep on watching. So in case you're new here, this wig we did it from scratch. I know it's not like perfect, but we did all this from scratch. Everything actually did a DIY. So I'll be sure to be leaving a link of that video down in the description. Kindly go check it out. So enough of talking, so let me just jump straight into today's video. So like the title suggests, we are doing unboxing with Jumia. So this is a Black Friday offer that I took advantage of. Are you taking advantage of the offers? Are you taking advantage of the videos that I upload for you guys so that you get to save some coins? So I jumped into the offer, the Black Friday Jumia offer that is currently running. So probably when this video will be going up, the offer will be to be out over. I bought some few, and this is actually beauty stuff. I bought beauty stuff from this. I've actually opened. I wanted to see if exactly what was delivered, what I ordered. So let's open this stuff. Actually it comes packaged very well. So it is the box. So like on top of the box comes with the details. So I already did open it, like I said, and quite a number of stuff were thrown in here. So let me just take them off, open them, because they come wrapped in this package. And this other side, it's the details, so I don't want to show you this other side. So that's the details. So the quite a number of items. Just like a small box. So let me get the scissors. So quickly to the items. So this is Ghanaian micellar water. So this is for sensitive skin, the one that comes with a pink top. So this is for sensitive skin, and for also you removing makeup, just cleansing. So this is just micellar water. So that is the first item. The other item that I bought is this Garnier 3-in-1 charcoal mask. You know me, I use this like 3 times in a week. And yeah, so this is just a wash and a scrub and mask. So this is the second item. So the other item that I bought is this Maybelline mascara, and this one adds volume. The other one that I had was also of the same one. Wow. The same brand, Maybelline, and this is as in your lashes, and this one BB. This one add a lot of volume. So this is the other item that I bought. So I restocked on this foundation. So I bought 2 of the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This was in the shade 355 and this was in the shade 350. So I bought this because I tend to mix the two to get my shade. The thing that I bought was this one. I actually opened it and wanted to try it on and just put on my face because it was over. So that is another one, and let me show you. Ooh. So I've actually used it already. So that is the shade I bought. Also this is Maybelline powder in the shade 355. So this is cinnamon. It's cinnamon. So moving on to another thing that I bought. I also bought this. Ooh, let me try to focus. Okay, basically it's the dark spot corrector. That is how it looks like. It's even in matte, boosted with vitamin C. So let me just open it. So this is how it looks like. It's a very tiny long tube. So it says it's deep anti-max action from week 1. That's the other item. So I bought like 3 items from Garnier. So another thing I bought is this brush. It's a silicone thing for cleaning my brushes. So I used to actually just use the palm of my hand to actually clean my brushes, and they were not getting so cleaned. So I saw this online and I thought it will come handy. So this is another item that I bought. So this is how it looks like. It's pink in color. Let's get it to focus so that you see how it looks like. So it comes like 2, what do you call it, 2 sides. So I guess this is how you hold it. You actually put your fingers in here and then you just clean your brushes from these edges here that are a bit rough. Some are striped and some are like dots. So that is how it looks like. Yeah, so that is another thing that I bought. Another thing I bought is this highlighting stick from Revlon. Yes, it's from Revlon. Let's open it. Ooh. So that is how it looks like. So this is Revlon Instafix highlighting stick, and that is how it looks like. And then so that's another piece, or rather another beauty item. And the other beauty item that I bought is gloves. So these are just washing gloves for washing your face, and they're actually very soft. I never thought they were this soft. So that is how they look like that. So they come as a pair. They're very tight on your hand, actually. Very tight on your hand. So this is good. Okay, this is good. Soft. So, and on to the last item that I bought are these masks. So these are from Canva. This is I Am Cool, and this is I Am Beautiful. I have never used masks, and in case probably when I start using these ones, no matter the brand, I'll actually be restocking them. And you can actually like feel the mask. They are cold. They are cold, like they are cool. Cool is the word for the brand. So these are 2 masks. I bought 2 masks. So yes, I guess that's it. What I bought from Black Friday. I just went for beauty stuff. And oh, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Just give it a thumbs up if you like it, as in it goes a long way into interacting and getting to know exactly what you guys like to watch. So I'll be sure to catch you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay safe and God bless you. Bye.